Excel. Introduction. Excel is a window-based program used to organize, calculate and analyze data. It is used to perform simple or the complex calculations. You can do the calculations in it. Then helps to store the data in a worksheet in the form of graphs, charts for easier understanding. You can store your data just like for worksheet, graphs and for future use. Now, what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a program like Excel which is used to store, calculate and maintain data. Consists of the grids made of rows and columns. Means we will work in the rows and columns. Is used to perform mathematical calculations with ease. Easily we can do the easily mathematical calculations in our Excel sheet. Enables to specify a formula to perform calculation. Means we can specify the formulas to do the calculation according to our need. Now starting Excel. How you will start your Excel sheet? First of all, you have to click on the window button. Then after that, you have to click on the Microsoft Office. After that, Microsoft Excel. Here Excel is 2007, but it can be 2010 or any version. Now your worksheet appears. Here is the name of the box A1. Name box displays the cell address of the active cell. This will show you the active cell. Then active cell. Active cell is the cell which you are currently working. Means active cell is the cell where you are currently working, where you are entering your data, or somewhere in the Excel sheet where you are working, it will show you. Now formula bar. Formula bar displays the content of the active cell. Whatever you type in your column, that will appear in the formula bar. Then is sheet tab. Sheet tab displays the name of the worksheets. Then worksheet 1, 2, 3 are this name you will save your worksheet. Then formula. Entering a formula. What is a formula? Formula is an equation that used to perform calculation on data in a worksheet. Means formula is a equation that will perform the calculations etc. on your worksheet. That is used to perform mathematical statistics and date time operations on single value or set of value by using operations. Used to perform mathematical calculation and statistical are the logical operations it can be done, and date and time it can be done in your Excel sheet. Now entering a formula. Operator is a sign or a symbol. Means a sign or a symbol that specify the type of a operation to be performed in a calculations. Mean according to your need, you have to use the sign or the symbol for the calculations. Then operators are of three types. There are three types of the operators, that is arithmetic, comparison and logical operators. Now entering a formula. The student's mark list appears. This is for I have prepared for demo. Now after that, specify a heading, because you have to give a heading for the total. Otherwise it will be difficult to understand what you are doing here. So what calculation is done here. Then after that, students mark list with the total column appears. Now total column is ready. Now you have to add now. Now to calculate the total marks of the first student in the subject, all the subjects, that is Aman. Then that means we will calculate the total marks of Aman. Then type the formula is equal to, but remember you have to write is equal to before writing a formula every time. Then 40 is equal to 40 plus 80 plus 91 plus 67. And after this press enter. Then in G2, your calculation will be done in G2 column, G and 2, G2. Then again, when you will enter formula, your total will be on the G2. Then G3, G4, Raman, Sakshi, etc. After that, now this is the end of the slide. Next time, the same topic, MS Excel. Thank you.